Hello, my dear dark friends. I am Lord Never. I am the man. I am the myth. I have become a legend. Hello, my dear dark friends. I am Lord Never. Bad drivers! Oh man, we know about bad drivers. They're everywhere. Do they get special licenses? Is there a special training course they take? For example, you ever been driving down the road? Okay, me and Scully were driving down the road the other day. I just got put on, listen to some Demon Boy and stuff on the radio. Oh yeah! And this car pulls right in front of me. Goes real slow. And a block later, this idiot turns with no signal. Oh man, that rattles my bones. Oh man, hey man, that's like knuckleheads. I hate that stuff. Oh, why do they do that? And these drivers. Oh, another thing, these guys that drive down the road with their left turn signal on for miles. Dude, there's nowhere to turn. Shut it off. I'm telling you, my dear dark friends, I've had it with these bad drivers. Don't you wish you could just put a bazooka on the front of your car? Boom! Blow their asses off the road. Oh. Telling you, if I could write tickets, my pen would be broken because I would write tickets all the time. Bad drivers suck. Don't be a bad driver. I am your Lord Never. Thank you. Please subscribe.
Will you come back to me?